The changing dynamics of our technological needs have put internet and related products in the center of our life, wherein we all are heavily dependent on it for our day-to-day needs. And Syrotech is the name that has taken the responsibility to fulfill its basic requirements by manufacturing best quality and cost-efficient optical fiber network and surveillance products in our own country, making it a pioneer among its competitors. A highly qualified, dedicated team of researchers is responsible for constant improvement in design and development of products at Syrotech. Here, at Syrotech, innovations is not only restricted to boardrooms but thrives on the manufacturing floor, where a team of more than 800 employees are committed to make it a leading company in this industry. Separate setup lines, automated systems, perfectly blend with manual precision and expert inspections at every level help them create an ecosystem where customer needs, fast supply and turnkey solutions all are catered with ease. All the processes of manufacturing, right from selection of raw materials, working on SMT line, wave soldering, bob testing, MAC testing, assembling to packaging and delivery of goods are meticulously done so as to maintain all international standards, making it a name that can be trusted with quality. The culture of manufacturing, designing and innovation at Syrotech has not only helped it secure a name in the industry but has also contributed to the economic growth of the whole nation. Under the vision of Make in India, Syrotech is dedicated to create an environment where the idea of Atmanirbhar Bharat can be achieved.